You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, and we'll be looking at how to say more names that too many people mispronounce, including from Genshin Impact, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Loads to learn here. So I made an entire video detailing how to say it correctly with the official trailer, which says the name. The short story is that it said Cyno, not Cyno. I mean, maybe in English Cyno, but in Japanese Cyno. And here is the video right here if you want to learn more about it, where I confirm and detail why it is to be said Cyno. Watch that. Otherwise, just believe me, Cyno is how you say it. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.